Yeah, let's go over to Abdullah. Abdullah is going to run us through our PMO framework and talk a little bit how you can set up a successful PMO.
But a bit of a drama, PMO is all about. It always happens, everything is on green when you start, when you start the PMO project, everything is on green, 3 months, 6 months, then you start, all these, dramas and all these challenges, and you spend your, the life, making everyone happy in the, in PMO stakeholders. So, anyways, thank you everyone. I'm really, great to be here today. I'm really surprised that we have almost 134 participants join. Great job done, Nehru and the team. Big class for you. Big class for you. Great job done, right? So really great to be here with all the amazing project managers, the program managers and the portfolio managers, as well as we PMOs, right? So we PMOs. So big salute to all the PMOs, who are working day and night to make the change initiative successful in the organizations. When the term comes PMO, the change initiatives comes in, right? So how many of you actually want change in the organization? Can I see everyone? Is it possible? Any options there? Anyone? You want to see change in the organization, right? Fantastic. Who wants to lead this change? Who wants to lead this change? That's the question, right? And we PMOs are the chosen people on the universe. Mostly we are into this journey to make some real change in the organizations. And that's why we call these, there's a very smart approach of PMO. We call it purpose, set your purpose, where you want to go. Then measure it and optimize. When the term comes optimize, that means it's not a one-day job. It's a continuous learning journey and improvement journey, right? So that's why, question is going to come in the exam today. So I can tell you, this might, come in the cohort today. So yeah. So PMO, we can smartly say it's about purpose, then measure it and optimize. It goes through this continuous improvement process, right? So yes, Doaa, are you there?
I'm there, Chief. It's
You can see me, right? The next one. Yeah, no worries. Technical problem is part of our life. We have to deal with that.
I'm begging it to go to the next slide right now. Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Still on the way? All
Yeah.
right. You see,
it arrives here first. And
yes,
then it gets
fantastic.
To
Fantastic, no problem at all. So yeah, it's also optimized, right? So we talked about optimization. So many of us actually learning how to best use Microsoft Team, and I'm sure that we'll optimize next time for sure. So my one simple questions for all of you. My friend Nehru has talked about the challenges of PMO, right? And probably that was a limited list. If you start writing down the challenges, that will be like 50 pages challenges you have in PMOs, because he also already talked about that the success of PMOs is getting very tough nowadays, and because of many reasons. And here we are. If we can, even with the learning, if you can just solve 1% of the PMO problems, then you're saving millions for your for your sponsor and the organizations. Okay, so now just think, what do you think? What are the top 3 KPIs that you expect the PMO should deliver? You have 3 minutes. Start writing in the chat box. Everyone, please write three points that you expect that the PMO, your PMO should achieve. Your time, just I have this whole practice. Your time just start now. Let's start. Hit your chat box. 3 points. I'm going to monitor this. Yeah. Yes, here we go. Three points. that you expect your PMO should deliver? Parama said standardizations, fantastic points. Mr. Prasad Kamath said it depends on the goals of the PMO. Not all PMOs have the same goals, definitely. Mohammed said, Umesh said milestone quality of work. Yep. Ryan said project lead. Sharmila said compete on time. Kat said best practices, fantastic. More are coming. Brilliant ideas. Parama is first. I think Parama is writing a lot of KPIs, a lot of expectations. Very good. She said PM coaching. Yes, PM coaching is required so that everybody is on the same page. Mohammed says satisfy all stakeholders. Really? Can you really do it? Yes, James says timeline, budget, and quality. Number of competent PM produce. Very good. Divya said productive and efficient. Yes. Neil said project costs within budget. Yeah, your time is up now. Fantastic, fantastic. So, wow. A lot of ideas. Winston said governance, standardizations, cost, value, time. Brilliant idea, brilliant idea. So thank you everyone. It was just amazing. It was just amazing. Yeah. So let's get back. Everyone. Please, let's get back. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. So basically, all of you are right. So it all depends on, someone said, the goals of the PMO, which we said, purpose, right? So, Doaa, move to the next slide, please.
Yes, boss. Getting there.
Yeah, so thank you. So basically, primarily it all depends on the problems that the PMOs are trying to solve, the organization. There is an echo happening. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. And some of the common KPIs we all know that we need to as per your the suggestions, your expectations, that many of the PMOs we expect that the project completion rate will go up, right? PMO should be able to predict which project will be in good shape, which project will be will face a lot of challenges and all, right? I'm sorry, is the echo happening?
No echo here.
Clearly, okay.
All good.
Okay, all right. Then basically, so Nehru, are you there?
Abdullah, try unmuting yourself again, and then we'll check it out.
Okay, now better? I think it's better.
Yeah, much clearer.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
It's a continuous improvement. Yeah. Yeah, fantastic. I'm sorry for the interruptions, actually, right? So yeah, these are very typical KPIs. We all know that, but it's important that it's not applicable for all size of PMOs or all the PMOs. So basically, we expect that once PMO is there, project will all be in green. Everything will go delivered on time, on budget, as per the expectations. We expect better resource optimizations. We expect process needs to be standardized and improved. And of course, as we have a very good PMOs, we expect company will make some profit out of these projects as well, right? So your finance will be optimized. Yes. Yeah, so that's why it's not easy journey. I mean, the whole PMO world is going through a transition process everywhere in the world, globally. And we thought, why don't we put our last 15-20 years of experience We have a huge pool of PMO consultants worldwide. So we gathered together and we basically set up this standard guidebook, which we call actually the PMO Guide Book, right? So this PMO Guide Book is quite a big one. It has the entire PMO suite, which means all the policies, procedures, everything you need, what are the different types of PMO, how they operate, how the agile PMO operates, how the digital PMO operates. So all the definitions and details, everything is there. I'm sure that the winners today will get the digital version of these PMO guidebook. It's a very healthy one, and that will basically help us understand what are different PMOs, how they operate, what are the behaviors, what are the things we should do as and everything.